Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shiba coin. And so many questions have been raised if Shiba can reach the level of Shiba Inu or the level of Dogecoin or Floki Inu. But to me, I think Shiba they have that great platform. They have that. When you take a look at the Shiba plan, when you take a look at what the developers are actually working at, they are really doing well. And to me, I think yes, Shiba can reach the level of Shiba Inu, and that is the truth. Shiba can also reach the level of Dogecoin. I know this is going to take a very long period of time, but if Shiba can really gain a lot of support the way Shiba Inu gains support, then Shiba is going to really increase in price. And to me, I think Shiba Inu have also made name for itself. Shiba Inu is one of the biggest coins. Shiba Inu also attracted a lot of people to cryptocurrency. I love how join cryptocurrency because of Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu also have its own good records, and I think it's a great coin. But Shiba I hope that this Shiba will definitely start getting that massive support, because Shiba is expected to really increase the price before the end of 2023. Now, Shiba comparing Shiba with Shiba Inu, it is possible. Yes, Shiba can reach the level of Shiba Inu, but a lot of work needs to be done, and I think that the developers need to keep getting more partners for Shiba because it will definitely help Shiba coin. And I think 1,000,000% or even 5,000,000% is possible with Shiba and it's also possible with Shiba getting over 100,000% increase this year alone, 2023. But Shiba is gaining a lot. Going beyond that, it might take Shiba a very long time, because they still have a lot of coins and they need to consider that. And not just that, Shiba have gotten what we call massive listening, and I believe if they will keep getting this massive listening, it's going to help Shiba coin to really increase the price. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.